This is the Bissell Featherweight 700-watt vacuum. When it is fully assembled, it weighs less than 3 pounds. I am not sure how, but it does. It feels great in my hands. It is not too heavy. And as you can see, you can actually use it as a handheld vacuum like this, or you can attach the pole, which I will do. Super simple. Lift this up, pop it in here and attach, and suddenly you've got this nice long pole. You can either put this piece in here if you want to get into cars, your couches, wherever it may be, or if you're doing the floor, if you're doing hardwood, tiles, rugs, carpets, you just pop that in and look at that. She is ready to go. The only con is that you do need to plug it in. However, it is a 15-foot cord. So there is none of this plugging, moving, replugging. You can get a very large space done with just plugging it in the one time. So all you have right here is your power button. It's got really great suction, works really well. And all we do is open this, very, very simple. There is a filter in here that you can clean and reuse. And then this is where all of that debris that you will be vacuuming up, and you just dump that into the garbage and you're good to go. Super lightweight, very convenient. I'm a fan.